Imagine that you have read all of the articles, books and any other text written in the entire world. Now think how wiser you would be. What if I tell you there is a robot which have done this and now he can talk to you like a real person? But here is a twist. This robot cannot even think. So how does it work? Well, this robot is actually called LLM or large language models. It is a supercomputer program that have read millions of books, articles and other texts, and from that he have learned all the patterns of the text, just like you learn by talking to other peoples. This robot actually absorb the knowledge like a sponge, but it cannot think like a human, but instead it recognizes the patterns written in the text. For example, if it sees once upon a time too many times, then he understands the pattern that a story starts with once upon a time. Like we play the game Guess the Word. This robot is actually good in that game, not because it can think like human, but because it have seen the pattern so many times that it recognize it. So if you ask the sky is, it will tell you blue in return. And if you combine all of these things, then it can talk to you like a real human, not because he understands you, but because it follows the pattern. That's why sometimes it says the things which sound smart but are not 100% correct. LLM or large language model are actually breakthrough research, not because it can learn, but because they can actually help humans in the real problems. They are used in apps like ChatGPT and Siri. So LLM is a robot who cannot even think or feel, but still he is able to help you in your task because it have learned it from huge amount of data.